The flashing orange light on your Rogers Internet box, like the Ignite XB7 or XB8, typically indicates a connectivity problem. Most commonly, it means your modem can't establish a stable internet connection due to activation issues or poor signal strength. This could be caused by a few things: the modem not being properly activated on your Rogers account, weak signal levels due to damaged cables or splitters, or even temporary interference from weather or construction. Newer Rogers modems have improved error logging that helps diagnose these problems. The flashing orange indicator means your Rogers modem is in a no internet or connecting state. The inability to establish a stable downstream signal from Rogers' cable network is the main reason for this. First, try a power cycle. Unplug your modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your cables. Ensure all coaxial cables are securely connected to both the modem and wall outlet. Look for any damage to the cables. It's recommended to use certified Rogers cables. Third, run a signal test. Access your modem's web interface by typing 192.168.100.1 into your browser. Look for a signal test option and check if your downstream signal is between -15 dBmV and +15 dBV and upstream is between 37 to 55 dBmV. If outside this range, it may signal cable damage or splitter issues. Fourth, check activation. If you recently moved or reset your modem, ensure it's activated on your Rogers account via the Rogers website or Ignite app. The app now features an AI-driven signal strength feature to help diagnose these issues. Fifth, as a last resort before contacting support, reset the modem to factory settings. Be aware you will need to reactivate the device afterward. Finally, if the issue persists, contact Rogers support for advanced diagnostics. They can often resolve the issue remotely and can schedule a technician if needed. According to Rogers data, 70% of fixes are cable-related, so start there.